Hey fantastic you, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we're painting and we're playing with the split cup. I got it at Michael's. They're calling it a pour cup. So if you're like going onto the website to check, type in pour cup, not split cup. I got a whole bunch of bright colors here, and I've got a itsy bitsy 8-inch round canvas. So I got the canvas off to the side. So we're gonna fill it up. See what happens. I've got about 45 grams of paint with each color. Move them off to the side. So it doesn't look like they're all the same size, but we'll find out soon enough. I do have a bit more of the white, just because I was having troubles getting to the right consistency. Hang on. Mixed up my paint a couple hours ago, been letting it sit. The orange appears to not be filling up as much as the yellow did. So we're gonna have to get fancy and do some scraping here. And not mix the colors. This is a 7 split cup, so there's 7 compartments. And I think I got about 10 ounces of paint in it. I just filled it up with a measuring cup. Yeah, they are definitely not the same size in each compartment. I can tell you that right now, because I'm getting a less and less and less in each one. Trying to be as careful as possible. I should have used paper cups so I could do a little pinch. So lesson learned. So yeah, it looks like it's stepping down there. I know I'm gonna get pink with the white next to the pink. This is titanium white. That's okay. Just trying to separate out the fire colors. So the yellow, orange, and red from the green, blue, and magenta. I am working with Liquitex paints today. I've mixed them with 60% glue, 40% water as my pouring medium. And I mixed them about 1 part paint to 1.5 parts, almost put that in the white, 1.5 parts pouring medium, give or take. I do have another split cup coming. It's supposed to arrive today. Ordered it online and it's coming from France. So can't wait to use that one. It is a little bigger than this one, I think, hopefully. It is very hard to keep the paint where it's supposed to go. I'll go over the colors here in a second. This blue is Brilliant Blue. Now I'm wondering, with these not being filled up to the same height, how that's going to affect the pour. And this one, purple, this is magenta. Darker magenta. I can't say the first word, I can never pronounce it. There's the cup all filled up. Really hope I have enough paint. Picked up the canvases and the pouring cup today from Michael's. Canvases on sale, so can't resist a canvas sale. Just cleaning up my mess here, getting some paper towel. Okay, move that to the side. Get my canvas on. There's a itty bitty one. And I'm gonna spin my spinner as I'm pouring. So let's see what happens. Here comes the green. Interesting effect. Oh, the white's coming out. Okay, now we're getting into a regular pour. All the colors. They weren't coming out that nicely to begin with. It is a flat top. Hopefully I haven't made my paint too thick. Very hard to keep my hands straight. It's just kind of shaking, doing its own little thing. Definitely harder than it looks. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the one I ordered online has a pouring spout. This one doesn't really have one. Definitely getting an interesting effect. Got more than enough paint. I'm going to stop there. Decent amount of paint left in there. Kind of looks like a candy. I'm going to give it a quick torch, get rid of some of those bubbles. have started to go over, so I should be good spinning. Very bright. Very psychedelic. It is so much fun spinning a painting. Oh, look at on the cake spinner. That looks awesome. Yeah, had lots of paint. Well, I just wanted to play with it today. That's all today is. Even though my online one is supposed to be coming today, I have a feeling it might not make it. I think it's coming through express post, but it's still the regular post. That is looking cool. Cool, cool. Need to pop some more bubbles. So many bubbles. Loving the colors though. Absolutely loving them. I'm going to give it one more spin just to kind of even out the bubbles I just popped. And see what we get. Oh, it moved a little bit on the thing. On the cake spinner, not the thing. Oh, I'm liking this. I am liking this one. I'm going to have to zoom you in. Come up behind you. My gloves aren't too dirty. They are. Let me wipe them off a bit more. I gotta take my glove off to do this. Okay, so don't mind the muddiness around the canvas, because that's gotten really muddy from all the colors, but it's that part there. What do you think? I think that looks really cool. But that's just me. Let me know in the comments what you think of this one. And I'll be playing with the cup again. Only I wish it had a funnel spout more, because it wasn't coming out that nicely to start with. But they weren't even either. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about getting one. If you already have one, if you used it, you already know. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.